Hello everyone, Kat here with some fire. You may not be able to see this, but on the tiny screen it's showing fire. And today I'm just going to be talking about campfires and campfire stuff. So basically, some days, especially during quarantine, since there's not that much to do when you're done with your daily schoolwork, you go on walks and stuff. But today was an exceptionally hot day. And even though it was hot, we decided why not go outside and have a campfire. So that's exactly what we did. Now during a campfire, as you can see here, this is the campfire. Can you put it down? And what we do is we toast marshmallows, as you can see over here, until they're done, and then make some s'mores with graham crackers and chocolate, which my mom is now showing in front of the camera.
Graham crackers and chocolate. Hershey's chocolate to be exact.
Even though you don't have to use Hershey's, you can pretty much use any chocolate bar, but it's cheap and easy.
It's not cheap.
Well, if you buy just a single Hershey's bar, it's like not as expensive as some of those.
Okay, let's not burn it.
It's okay. We also take out the bunnies, as you can see over there. They're just chilling together. We play things like Cat's Cradles, which is a game with strings. And I'm going to take out some pieces of chocolate. It's hard to get the pieces out. There we go. Almost got it. So, and then we take some graham crackers. You can't open this. 1 second. That worked. Not eating that though. Don't want that in my s'mores. Then I can... Oh, the marshmallow's falling down. That's not good. Then I can try to keep the marshmallow from falling down to its death and attempt to take out a graham cracker.
Oh no.
Most of them landed on the table. That's good. My marshmallow's nearly falling to its death, and there's graham crackers on the floor. What could be better?
On the grass.
Grass. Correct. Now I'm going to put the chocolate on the graham cracker, and put the top graham cracker and slide the marshmallow off. Now there's still a bit of marshmallow on the end, so...
All right, can we show them close what the final product looks like?
So then, once you're done, this is the final product. A gooey s'more in all its glory. The chocolate and you can see the chocolate, the marshmallow, and of course, a graham cracker. So yeah, that's what we do in campfires.
All right.
If you ever have campfires and you have some things that you do that not everyone does, like taking on the bunnies, for instance, well, comment them below. We'd love to hear. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Adios. And goodbye for all of you who aren't Spanish.